So so we're working. Someone sent this to me, and what that person wants me to do on these two sheets is that on this sheet we ran this one, got it from the database. This is what the department posted on the database. This is a telemarketing sales each store. What each store posted into the database. So I'm trying to clean this up. Control minus to delete. Trying to clean this up. Trying to clean this up. We got it from the company database. So I'm also trying to, okay, let me leave this amount for now. So these are the warehouses. And this is the quantity and the amount. So this is what they gave to the auditor. Now it was the auditor that gave this to me. So this data now is not it's not proper. So there is no way I'll be able to analyze this data without filling these empty spaces for stored sold from column. Also this, I need to fill the empty spaces on this column. So to do that, let me create a new column. So I'm going to be using calculation here. So I'm using if function. If this is not equal to nothing, then this, else we want to see whatever is up here. So let's close it. Now you can drag it down. Can you see? So Saka, Oduduwa, Saka. So this place has to be Saka. These two places, these two empty that was once empty, has to be Saka. Osolo, Saka. So if this column now is okay now. I've actually done the needful. So let me drag it down more. So we're dragging it down more. So this place is done now. I think it's perfect. It's perfect now. Also, because we're going to be needing this, what else? No, it's okay now. The dates, we need to work on the dates too. So the dates, we're going to repeat whatever we did there, the steps here. We're going to repeat it for the date. So let's copy this inside here. Can you see? This one too is done. So we have done the date. Let's see where it ends. Let's delete this. So these are data cleaning. We're cleaning it up and doing some needful stuff. So now this is a number. Let's change it to date. Let's change it to date. So what kind of date? Let's check custom date. Let's select this. Let's see this. Okay, this is fine. This is fine. I think it's fine like this. So now we need to create another column to work more on the dates. So I'm going to be using a text function to get text out of the date. We're getting the February out. So what in type M1234. So we have the February out. We have the February out because we are going to be using the months for our sum if. Okay, February, June, March. What is March? March then 3006. 3006. June. What is January then? So there's a mistake here. There's a mistake here. So 3006. That's 0107. This entry problem. 0107. It's going to be corrected. Now can you see it's July? It has to be July. This one is 0206. 0206. That's be June. So also has to be 0307. 0307. Let's repeat this. Let's paste it there. 0307. 0307. Let's paste it here. 0307. July. Same thing here. 0307. So this will be 04 07 07 July. Control C, Control V, Control V, stay July. Control V, Control C, Control C, Control V. So this one has to be 05 05. So 05 07 05 07. So these are July. So these are data cleaning methods. 1507 July. July. December. What is December then there? So there shouldn't be anything like December. This has to be 1107. 1107. 1107 and make it reflect. Control D. Control C. So this has to be 07 12 12 07. 1207. This has to be 1307. That's July. Still okay. Still okay. So what's October doing there? October has to be 1007. 1007. 1007. So still July. Yeah. Yeah. And yeah. And yeah. So this one This one should be 0807. 0807. 0807. Control C. Control V. 0807. I think the data is clean enough now. Oh shit. So June, this October. So these are data entry errors. There are a lot of data entry errors here. I'm going to quickly clean it up. So this one should be 006, 06, 06. So there, oh my god. These are data cleaning error. These are data cleaning error. So it should be January. This should be January, which is week 1. So let me check. Let me check the mail. 0102. The dates are not that consistent. 0502. They're not consistent with the date. They are not consistent. So this will be 01, 0201. That's January 2nd. 01, 02. January 2nd. Control C, Control V, Control V, Control V. Let me check again. Yeah, it's week 1 of the year, January 2nd. Control V, Control V, Control V. That's week 1, Control V, Control V, Control V. We're still in week 1. Week 1. So everything here has to be January. So to make it fast, we need to do this. Let's put January here. Because we're working with months. So week 1 is January. Week 1 is January. Copy. Week 2 is also January. So week 2 is also January. Week 2 is also January. Week 2 is also January. Control D. So week 3 is also January. Control C. Week 3 is January. Control D to duplicate. Week 4. Week 4, Control C. So week 4 can be mixed. Let's see. 23, 24 up to 28. It's also January. So this 38 is January. Control V. 38. 38 is January 31. January 31. So January 31. So January ends here. So January ends here. So we have February here. February starts from here. February starts from here. February starts from here. Should be working on this column. So February starts from here. I should have done it here. So February starts from here. Week 6. Okay, February. It just mixed everything, all the dates together. So February starts from here. So I think February stopped here. February stopped here. So we have March here. March starts from here. So March stopped here. Control this. So April starts from here. April stops here. April stops here. So May, I think the way we are doing it is good. It's good like this. May. So May stopped here. I think May continues. These guys just, they're not consistent with their dates. May. So the major thing in the data analysis is data cleaning. Once your data is clean, the rest it will be easier. So May, June. June starts from here. So working on June. June stops here. Control D. So this is July. July is 07. Okay. July is 07. So this is where July ends. So our data is clean now. So we can safely delete this too. We have all the months that we need. We have all the months that we need. Nothing is left out. So now we're going to be, let's copy the stores. Control C. So let's have the stores here. Let's have some stuff here. Let's remove duplicates. So we have removed duplicate from the stores. So these are the stores. The stores. We have 173 stores. It's not possible. So, but let's leave it that way first. Another thing is, let's copy the date, the month. Let's put it here. Let's put it there. Control C. So we have our month here. Let's remove duplicate. We have removed duplicate from the month. So copy and transpose. So we're transposing it. So all right, guys. All right. It's going to be very easy. So now these are the stores. Let's give it color. And these are the months. So I'm going to do is, let's border it. Let's give it border line. All borders. So now some stores, let's see. Some stores are not well done. I'm having two stores joined together like this one. So it's going to be a bit complicated around that place. It's going to be a bit complicated. So now let's do sum ifs. So what's our sum range? Our sum range is this total price, comma. So what's our criteria range one? Let's use this store names. So while our criteria will be what? Our criteria is, let's first delete this. So our criteria is this for the stores. So criteria range 2 is date, comma, and our date will be this. So we need to reference it with a normal, a befitting reference. So let's do function F4, press it 3 times. This for this one, function F4, press it 2 times. So you can now drag and drop. So what is wrong? Something is wrong. We only have for January. What about February? What is wrong? So let's check February. 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 So we have February. Ikoyi February. Ikoyi February. So why is it not picking? So February. Woman. Ikoyi February. Wait a minute. Hmm. What I'm working on? No, I'm recording a video to review for my YouTube channel. It's free now. Ah. So normally we're not supposed to have anything here. So this are going out. This are going out. Don't know why it's picking them. Let's see. So the value is decreasing. Let's see. So 61, 61 million. So let's delete this also. So 61.6 million. We have 61.6 million. So can you see now? Can you see now that we have arrived at the same figure with what we have here? Can sum this one again. Let's see the grand total. 61.6 million. We have also 61.6 million here. So we have done it. Each store per month what they spent. Now we can compare it to what we generated from the system. So these are what we generated from the system. Let's check the total of everything. This is 30. This is 30. This is 39 million. 39 million naira was what the department posted on the system. Let's take one stock, for example, 1004. They spend throughout the month, they spend 12,900 naira. 1004, let's look for it here. Yeah. 1004. So this 1004. You spend more than that. So let's check the difference. Okay, how do we do the difference? I don't know. It's still not going to. Okay, Saka spent 15.6 million. Let's check Saka here. Saka's a, okay, let's see. Let's check. Saka spent 5.8 million. Meanwhile, this place is showing 15.6 million. So guys, that is how it is. This is what I've done. So the